So today I'm going to be showing you how to cut yourself out of your very own photos in Photoshop in less than 60 seconds. Here we go. So we're going to open up our photo in Photoshop. We're going to hit Control or Command J to duplicate our layer, or right click the layer and press duplicate layer. Then we're going to go over and we're going to hit the Object Selection tool, or hotkey W. We're going to click and drag over the subject until we have a selection made. This selection is going to be highlighted with marching ants. We're going to clean up the selection now with the same exact Object Selection tool. We're going to hold the minus sign to get rid of areas while clicking and dragging, and hold the plus sign to add in areas that we want in our selection. Once we have the selection made to our liking, we're going to click the Select and Mask button at the very top of the page, and we're going to fiddle with these sliders to our liking. Then we're going to click OK, and we're going to create a layer mask. Then once we have that layer mask, we can add in whatever picture we want below, and there you have it.